Alright, we're here at the pond. It's been raining on and off all day. I'm running errands all day, so I just threw my travel rod in the car, hoping that I'd get time. It's a break in the rain, so I'm going to throw a few here. Just got my little travel rod, 4-pound test, little paddle tail and a 1/16 jig head. Alright, just extend it out, make sure it's all locked nice. The eyes are lined up. And we'll do a couple of throws here, see if we can get anything going. So with the conditions today, I should put on one of the neon ones, but I don't even think I brought extra bait. Certainly raining. Got some bumps down here. Let's see if I can get to the other side. Throw a few before the rain gets too bad. It already is almost too bad. Yeah, because this drainage, this drain pipe is is flowing. This is usually dry as a bone. Oh, come on, I'm stuck on this branch. All these branches are hanging a little lower than normal from they're waterlogged. Got a little bit of shielding from the rain, but look at that, it's coming down now. Almost overstayed my welcome. What do we got here? Something's on. Feels like it's pulling. I didn't even feel it. I didn't feel it hit, but I didn't feel it start pulling. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, I think I got something nice here. It's going to be a little tricky to get over the bushes. Oh, look at that. You're a big fish for a rod this light. You just made this whole trip worth it. Look at you. Nice one on this little paddle tail. A 4-pound test. Hard to land. Get a quick picture. Kind of curious to see how heavy you are. Rain's coming down, so I think this is just in time. We're gonna call it, but we're gonna get a quick weight on you first. Nice one. Reads as 0.9 pounds. We deduct our 2 ounces. That gives us 0.77. Just over 3/4 pound. Nice fish. All right, let's get you out of here, bud. Last look. 0.77 pounds from a pond that normally doesn't yield anything nearly that big. And in the rain. And on this big surprise, I didn't feel him pick it up. Dropped the line in. Felt like I was snagged on something. So I pulled back and it started resisting, so I reeled him in. Alright, that's all I got time for. It's starting to come down. I got to get out of here. See you later.